Garage 43 is filled with incredible cars and motorcycles, as you can see. But what's more inspiring are the stories, the pieces of life, the home away from home that Ron and Ann have created here inside Garage 43. This is Drive Like You're Alive. Come on, let's go. Hello. Hello. Hi, Ann. How you doing? How are you? Thank you so much. An honor to be here. I'm already smiling.
Yeah, kind of take it all in.
So we'll see you in a few minutes. We'll start here?
Great.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Why do you love this space?
Oh my gosh. I retired 5 years ago from General Motors, and I basically retired here. And I love to work on cars and motorcycles. It's a feeling of purpose, and it's just a lot of fun being part of the community. Maybe we'll start here and work our way back.
Sure, let's do it. Let's do it.
This is a 1976 Honda CB550F Super Sport. It was a non-running bike, and I restored the whole bike from the engine, the frame. You know, everything's been redone, better than new.
I mean, look at, and it's in incredible shape. I mean,
yeah, and to ride this bike is a dream.
I mean, so you ride it.
I ride all my
do.
All my cars, I ride all my bikes.
I love that. I love that. Okay, so where?
This is a Factory Five Cobra at Mk4, which I built in 2016.
I literally have chills like looking at this.
Yeah, this came as a kit. Basically, you get 23 boxes of parts, and the body, you put the car together and have it body work done. You paint it and you drive it.
Beautiful. Talk about some of the details that you love on this. I mean, this is so beautiful. First of all, just the color, the paint. I mean,
by the time that I picked the color, this is a unique color for this car.
What's the name of the blue?
It's Ron's Blue.
Ron's Blue.
Yeah. I actually bought a cowhide out of a shop in Livonia and wrapped the IP, wrapped some of the other details in leather, so I learned how to do leather wrapping. The center console, all from the same cowhide. The engine is a Roush Racing 347R.
Wow.
It's a carbureted engine, 470 horsepower.
Look at this.
Yeah.
It's art.
Yeah, thank you.
It's so beautiful, and even more special, you built it.
All right, now let's go fire this bad boy up.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Here's how you get in this thing.
All right.
Open
A
here,
rookie. I'm a rookie. I've never been in one.
And in here, you harness it out of the way.
Yeah.
And step in.
Right.
Put your butt in there, and then slide your feet in. There you go.
All right. Here we go.
First time with a Cobra.
First time in a Cobra. Wow.
Here we go.
Woohoo! Rumble. It wants to go.
It wants to go.
Right?
How about that? Isn't that cool?
How does it drive?
Wonderful.
Really?
Oh, it's wonderful. It is stiff, you know, but it tracks true, easy to drive.
All right.
Cool.
This is great. No, that's perfect.
Cobra.
All right, what do you think next?
The Boxster's my daily driver, and I want to talk about that.
I'd love to.
Summer. This car was new in the late 90s, early 2000s. I drove one on the track. I kind of fell in love with it. I drive this now in the summer. It's a great car to drive.
What do you love about this car, design-wise?
Well, I'm kind of a big guy, you know, and I fit perfect in this car. I'm very comfortable, you know, and it's the right size for me. It's plenty of storage. All my cars are manual transmission cars. In fact, part of the requirement is for my family. Your first car is always used and always a manual. Both my girls learned how to drive on manual transmission cars in Michigan, right?
So this area, talk about this.
Well, I'll start in the back corner. The kind of the odd duck is a 1952 Cushman Eagle. My dad rode that to high school. The only suspension you have is some springs in the seat, some springs in the front fork, and that's it. This car literally scares the hell out of me when I ride it.
It's this worked.
Oh yeah.
Wait, what year is this?
52.
And it worked.
Oh, absolutely. Everything I have runs.
So cool. And how cool to just have it. It's your dad's.
Yeah, special.
That's so cool. I love it.
Yeah. These bikes in the back were both barn finds. They're 1975 CB200Ts. Literally, I got this out of a barn up in northern Michigan, and this one out of a barn in Southfield. So they were kind of like unridden, unused, and need some care and attention. And I brought them home and cleaned them up and rebuilt them and rather new.
What have working on these projects taught you about life?
Every bike's been unique. You know, I've had to learn something. I have a project list, and I go through the project list. I watch videos, I go to classes to learn things, and I do it all myself.
Now this looks similar, right?
This is the hot rod. This is a 1975 Honda CB550F Super Sport. This was one of Honda's first attempts to make a sport bike.
Mm-hmm.
So they took an existing 350 bike, changed the frame a little bit, lengthened it out, dropped the bars to get more of a laid down look. And this was a performance bike in the mid 70s.
I love it. What about this green beauty?
This is my bike I did right before the Ascot. It's a 1971 CB500. It was originally like a goldish color. My friend had a green Mustang, and I liked the color of his Mustang, so I painted it to the Mustang green.
I love it.
It's called Phantom Green.
It's like you take these nuggets and then you implement them where you can.
The bike told me I wanted to be green, so I made it green.
I love that. All right, we cannot leave here without firing up the 68 Corvette.
Absolutely.
Talk about the detail and the back of this car. To me, this is ultimate classic.
Isn't that
Corvette.
beautiful?
Look at that.
The way the exhaust comes out the back, the little chrome bumpers, the beautiful round circular lights. It's the way a Corvette.
As you walk around this car, like why this car for you? Like why do you have this? Why do you love this?
It's just a driver intended. It's got seats, no headrest, just a lap belt, which was optional, by the way, for the car. Manual steering, a nice 4-speed transmission, and a great clutch. So it's a driver's car that is meant to deliver experience that was unique for that particular year.
I love it. I love it. But you do have to teach me how to get in.
Okay, with this car, you push here and here. It opens your door.
Right, I'm gonna make you proud.
That's how you get into a 68 Corvette.
You got it. It's just roomy too, right? It's pretty
It
comfortable.
really is.
Yeah.
It really is.
Yeah.
I feel like the older cars had such big front ends.
We get that long hood,
Right.
you know, it's just, yeah.
And the lights flip up on this.
Yeah, we'll fire it up and I'll show how those lights work.
Thank you for just taking the time. It's such an inspiring garage, and I think people are going to really enjoy hearing your story.
Thank you, appreciate it.
We'll come back
It's
for
been fun.
round two.
You got it, thank you.
You might-
Thank you, thank you.
All right, so should we go upstairs and see Ann?
Absolutely.
All right, I'll let you lead the way. As we made our way up, will you talk a little bit about the art on the wall and just the homage that you're paying? Ron talked a little bit about it, but
So these, I tried to stay within, a certain genre of things that he would like to see. And then all of the cars, the cast.
yeah, look at this. It's so just intentional, the things here, which is so beautiful. So first of all, I'm just noticing too, and I know the shot might be hard, but we are like right on the track.
The location could be better. This is a great location. We get, 2, 3, 4 turns coming off the straightaway.
Obviously with your background, like this is such a unique way for you to bring your talents to life. But talk about just some of the things that you did. I mean, even starting here,
We play a lot of tennis. We have a lot of parties here for our tennis teams. We have a lot of happy hours for friends. I'm on the board for Tumble Design, and we have board meetings here, which is great because it's a place to bring everybody together. But yeah, I mean, it's turned into a home away from home.
Truly, truly. There's so many areas that you can be, you know, and like, look at like the cars just, it's so cool.
You see a lot of the trim is cherry wood.
Mm-hmm.
This piece here we had built, the countertop,
That
piece
piece.
over the sink. That chair's from the tree that my family cut down on our family farm, 60 years ago.
This is
It's a little bit of our
family history.
family history, yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
So art is my other love, and that was Ron's Christmas present a couple years ago, his Cobra.
Oh, very nice. Can we go take a look?
Yeah.
Wow, this is a beautiful piece.
Thank you.
That's beautiful. Speaking of which, right behind you, this is a special one?
20th anniversary present, so 2009.
9, yeah.
Yeah.
That's very cool. So as we kind of walk through here, point out some of the details that maybe people might miss, but you love.
I just like the collection of things, the interesting things, the cars, the artwork. There are 2 little pieces of art that my daughter did. There's a piece my sister did in the bathroom downstairs. And then those 2 pieces behind you are Ben Sharkey. He's a musician and an artist. And he did a series called The Disappearing Gentleman.
He's a musician in Detroit, right? Yeah, I know. I mean, I
He's
know of him.
He's a good artist.
Yeah. Wait, I didn't. Can we go see those? I love these. And who's?
That's my family. My dad was youngest here, his brother, and my aunt and his sister. So
And
it's our family.
beautiful.
My dad was a metallurgist and research guy for Chrysler, and he was part of the team that designed the turbine car. So, I have a little sort of homage to him.
Oh, I'd love to see.
It's something that I think my family's proud of. We kept a lot of the things, like my dad. It was he's got a patent for the coating on the turbine wheel because it has to withstand so much heat.
What year was this?
63, 64. And so there's his patent. That's nice.
Is that your dad?
Yep.
Wow.
There's the team.
Such history. I love these pictures too.
Great.
Brings it to life.
Yeah.
It's so interesting. It's like the A and B side. It's like the downstairs workshop and then you come up home,
Yeah.
It's beautiful. But how nice under one roof to have so much that you love, from cars to art to work to cooking to architecture, and then your family on top of it. It's just like abundance of wonderfulness. What does this garage represent to you personally? Maybe we can start with you first now.
It was my first project after retiring. It was a good outlet for artistically, architecturally, trying to tie things together in my life. So, yeah.
Love it. What about for you, Ron?
It's almost like a Zen moment for me. My career was pretty high stress, high pressure, and coming here, all that goes away. It's that place I can go without being judged, without a care in the world, and spend my time doing things I love.
When this space is at its best, what is happening here?
The cars bring people together, because everybody has a story and something unique in their garage, and to learn about what's in their garage and why they have it, to me, that's just very interesting. There's a garage of Ferraris, there's a garage of Rolls Royces, there's a garage of, Fiats, there's a garage with motorcycles. That's whatever people desire to have or collect, so it's kind of cool.
For me, it's more about the people, finding other commonalities with those people you don't think you're going to see all that often, but you see them here, so it's great.
Was there a specific period where this stopped feeling like a garage and really started to feel like a destination for you guys?
Oh, great question.
Probably for you, day one. For me, probably the first time that we had people here was that moment that it was like, this is cool.
That's probably the biggest thing, is just having our friends here. If we can share this place with our friends, it's just really special.
What car, as you look out best represents you feel most connected with, tells a story about you?
You know, it's tough because I love all my cars. The 68 Corvette, I'd say probably tells the most about me. And when I got it, I had to restore it to what it is today. So it's a little bit of me in that car that I think is unique.
When you're here with no agenda, what does this place give you?
Peace. I mean, it's just calming.
You know, a summer night is actually very quiet here. We'll open the garage door, the cars are on the track like now, and it's just so peaceful. You see the moon, the stars, and it's a comfort.
Why does this garage matter to you?
This place we kind of built from a box, you know, and we built it how we wanted it. So it's the first space that we actually did ourselves, and got to use her skills as an architect and sense of art and fashion and make it what it is. I bet we're probably the largest users of this garage. In the summer, all the M1 sponsored things, we come to those. We bring friends to those.
You're really utilizing the space how it's meant.
I think it's as intended. Yeah.
Down here is very much
It's
your
my work area.
workshop,
Yeah.
but then upstairs is very much a home.
Yeah.
I think that's very unique, and we haven't seen that at all. But just describe how the space is being used as we sort of take this
Well, how
tour.
we got here, we our house, we had a 20 by 20 garage, and I redid 2 or 3 cars in that little tiny garage with a broken up floor, poor lighting. So I wanted a space that I could do work. I try to keep all the noise and work down here, and upstairs is more of a social gathering space.
What do you feel like you still want to do here?
Well, I've got moves in inventory.
Yeah, I was gonna say he needs to sell some.
and I'm gonna get another CB, you know, another 500, 550, 400, and redo that, like the 4-cylinder Hondas. So it's got to be a barn find. It's got to be original but nasty, and I'll bring it home and make it shiny and new.
You guys built
Yes,
something
yeah.
very, very, very special.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Some garages are built for cars. This one is built for time. A space to slow down and for Ann and Ron to just enjoy life. Cars bring you in, and it's everything else that makes you stay. That's what this community is all about. Cars, the community, the connection. We can't wait to see you inside the next garage here on Drive Like You're Alive. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. We will see you soon.